If you've been waiting for a sign, for someone's blessing, or for the right time to finally put you first, this is it, beautiful. We grow up being trained to wait for approval, wait for the perfect conditions, wait to be chosen. But here's the truth. You don't need more permission. You need to remember your power to decide. And that's precisely what we're going to be discussing today. So I want to begin with reminding you, because you know all of this, why waiting keeps you stuck. Oh, and it also keeps you exhausted. People pleasers are experts at hesitation. Experts. Why? Well, because your worth, when it's tied to keeping others comfortable, others happy, what happens? You learn to delay your desires. You learn to say, actually, you know what? I need to put them first. I need to put everyone first. I need to put me last. And what happens then? You feel like you're not worthy. You feel like you're just some second-class citizen. You feel like you're not good enough. You don't deserve to have everything that you desire. And you're just second-guessing yourself. You're having to wait until it finally makes sense to everyone else that you actually finally get to receive what you want or what you need. But here's the secret. Your dream life, beautiful, it's not on the other side of ready. It's not on the other side of everyone being happy about it. It's on the other side of deciding. Deciding that you matter. Your desires are valid. You don't need to justify your joy, your peace, or your glow to anyone. You come first. And you might think that that sounds selfish. It is selfish because you're putting yourself first. But when you do that, you're empowering yourself and you're letting your light shine. You're letting your energy become so strong that everyone is going to benefit from this. So what I want you to do is I want you to take one huge deep breath right now. I want you to put your hands on your heart and let's actually get you moving from waiting to acting, okay, to making those empowered decisions starting right now. So if it's safe for you to do so, I want you to just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Get yourself centered. And now I want you to identify just that one area where you have been stalling. Is it rest? Have you been waiting to take a rest, take a break? Is it setting a boundary? Is it something you keep putting off? Is it going with the flow with everyone else's life instead of going with the flow with your own? Is it finally starting that project, that business, or finally hiring the mentor? What is it? I want you to identify that number one thing that you know in your heart would change things forever for you, but you just keep putting it off. And I want you to let me know in the comments. I want you to put it out there. And I want you to trust yourself to know what's good for you. So let's think about the next step. We've identified that area. Now you can do this in several areas of your life, but right now I just want you to think about that one area where this is going to make the biggest difference for you. And then you're going to ask yourself, if I trusted myself fully, what would I do next? And don't overthink it. I want you to feel into the answer right now. What would your next step be? It doesn't need to be logical. It doesn't need to be something that somebody's recommended to you. It doesn't need to be affordable. It doesn't need to be anything. It just needs to be the next step. What would it be? If time were no object, if money were no object, if opinions were no object, then I want you to say exactly what that would be. That one thing. And you know what I'm going to say next? I'm going to tell you not to just go and do it, which you could do, and that would be amazing. But I want you to take a small, bold action step today. Just that gets you one more step closer. It doesn't have to be loud. It just has to be yours. It doesn't need to be extravagant. It doesn't need to be crazy, but it needs to be intentional. That's it. And that's simply all I'm bringing to you today. I want you to understand that you, for your whole life, have been seeking approval, permission, and validation from everyone else but the most important person in the entire world to you, and that's you. You were born with some incredible wisdom inside you. You were born with generations of wisdom. You have the DNA of people, of leaders, of intelligent, strong characters that's been passed down through generations. You have that within you. You have that power. You have that survival. You have that strength. You've made it all the way here. You're here for a reason and a purpose. You don't need more validation. Humankind is being silenced. We're being dumbed down. We're being encouraged to shrink who we are, to feel that we're not good enough, that we need X, Y, and Z to feel our best, to look our best, to fit in. But why would you want to fit in? Because our world is designed to be created and is designed to be full of amazing, beautiful people that coexist together. And how do you coexist? It's not by having 3 billion people, however many billion people. It's not by having billions of people who all look the same, talk the same, dress the same, act the same, do the same thing, have the same skills. That's one way to guarantee that a population will die immediately. So the reason why we're not extinct yet is because we all have these incredible skills, talents, desires. And when you say yes to your desires, when you realize you're worthy, when you realize that your skills are nothing like the person next to you, your beauty is completely different from the person sitting beside you. Your energy, your magnetism is very different to everyone else around you for good reason. They call it a game of life. It is a game of life. You need to start playing it. It's supposed to be fun. So you don't need more validation, because why would you be expecting someone who's completely different from you, who has completely different skills, who has completely different purpose in this planet, to validate something they don't have a clue about? They can't. They can't possibly validate you. They're never going to get how valuable, important, and incredible you are until they need you. And your skills, your gifts, and your talents. Then they'll validate you, but why do you need that? You don't need it. You just need to say yes to you. And once you do, life responds in kind. So I want you to stop thinking that you're not as valuable, that you need to second guess yourself, that you need to check on ChatGPT before you do something. Because you have everything that you need to live a happy, successful, abundant, incredible life. And you have everything you need to inspire others, because people around you right now are not doing that. They're second guessing themselves, they're doubting themselves, they're waiting for approval. They're doing a whole host of crazy, insane things just because they're told to. I'm not going to say drop in the comments if you can name one, because we're not going to go there. But seriously, you start today making empowered decisions. And as I said, you don't need more validation. You don't need anyone to say yes to you, because God already said yes to you. Your Creator already said yes to you. They created you to be a fundamental, incredible, important part of this, of humanity. So when you start shining and living and being your best self, you'll see what happens. Life responds in kind. But it's not always easy because we are kind of trapped sometimes, and people can tell you as many times as you like all of this stuff that I've just told you. We can inspire you, empower you, and make you feel amazing. But then when it goes to taking the move, making the move, you can feel a bit lost. And where do I even start? And that's why, if you're done waiting, if you're ready to feel totally crystal clear on your next steps, then the spark activation is your invitation to finally move. It's a package that I've created for you, incredible woman, and inside you will receive a personalized insight. It's a video insight, and it's designed to show you exactly where you've been holding back and exactly how to step into your next level with power, peace, with emotional clarity, with confidence, with everything that you need. You can find out all about the spark activation via the description. I'm going to put the link there for you. But I do want to remind you that no one is coming to save you. Your soul already knows the way. It's all within you, okay? But now it's your turn to decide. And it's your turn to be empowered and make the move. So I'll see you in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like this video if it meant something to you, and I'll see you in the next video, or hopefully in the spark activation, because I want to support you with all my heart to get you there. Sending so much love, and I'll see you soon.